Hey friends, if you wish to use Microsoft Paint in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for Paint in the Windows search bar and then go to Paint. This way you can open Microsoft Paint. Now, this may be in the dark mode or the light mode depending upon the mode that you use on your system. The first option is to select anything. The second option is to okay, here's the thing. You can easily upload images first of all. Let me do one thing. I will right click on an image and select open with, and then I will select paint. Please note that a few things have changed post the latest update. So you make sure to keep your windows updated. Okay. Now I will use this as a selection tool. This is used to crop. This one is used to remove the background. This one is used to rotate the image. This one is used to flip the image. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.